It's Randy Mountain Farm. We're out here again on the Sawmill. Seems like deja vu.
It's always, it's either this or work.
Either this or work. I like it. So keep me busy, keep my mind busy. But I'm just cutting up some stuff. I had a guy called and order some different wood. We built him a chicken house, and he built her another little chicken house out of a playhouse, and he just likes working with that wood. He said, I just want it stacked up around here so I can use it on something. He just wanted the wood to use it.
A lot of people like dealing with rough cut lumber. Yeah. They like building with it.
Yeah, they ain't nothing. I mean, it's got some curves in it every now and then. That it got to square it up, whatever you do on both ends. But it's, I like building with rough cut lumber. It's more of a challenge. And the wood you buy nowadays at the big box store, it's about as squirrely as that. Mine looks better than they do.
Well, you know, look at these old houses. These old houses that have been standing for, 80, 90 years. They didn't come from big box stores.
No, they came right off the land.
Yeah, and the ones that are currently the new, they're not nearly as tough. They're not nearly as strong as the houses that have been here.
No. That's what we're doing today, enjoying this weather. It's supposed to get back up hot again this week. They're saying the first day of fall is going to be 92.
Yeah.
Last week was nice.
Yeah.
I enjoyed all last week. You could actually cut some wood and split some wood and not die. It was actually comfortable out here doing something.
Yeah, he had Corey out here last week, and they pretty much got all the firewood. And I'm gonna roll the not all the firewood,
all
but
the firewood
good.
I've got cut up right now.
Yeah, I mean, he has got a huge mountain of wood. He still has a bunch over here still to do, but that's them cut-offs.
Yeah, that's them cut-off. That's pine.
That's good for campfires.
Good for campfires, but I don't know if anybody's going to have that many campfires. Yeah. But we're just trying to get caught up. I'm ready for it to cool down some more and the leaves get off the trees and the yellow jackets go away so you can actually get in the woods and do something without getting stung. I dropped 2 trees the other day. By the time I got the last top out, there's old dead oaks. There's 2 yellow jackets nests. It's like I don't like the summertime in the woods. I like it in the wintertime.
Well, there's less predators in the wintertime from the bees.
The
snakes. The lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my.
It's a whole lot easier in the wintertime.
Yeah.
And you don't sweat to death.
That is true.
But that's what I'm doing today. So, fire this thing up and let it warm up. I'm cutting these little bitty logs. You can't get much out of them, but you get some out of them.
Well, how much do you think you can get? I mean, that's what, about an 8-inch, 10-inch maybe?
Yeah, I don't even think it's that. I think it's a little that on that end. This is a small end. Basically 8-inch.
8-inch? Okay.
I mean, we can see how many board foot we get out of that.
That's an 8-inch by 8 foot? Or 8'6" maybe?
Yeah. Let's see what the loud calculator says it'll have in it. And then we'll mill it up and see how many board foot we actually get out of it.
Right. Now, so you're looking on that log calculator?
It'll go down to 8 inch. It goes down to 12 inches smaller. So there ain't gonna be very many board foot in there.
Well,
but
you'll get some.
Get some out of it.
It's not a wasted log.
No, it's almost a wasted log because you waste your saw blade dulling it, cutting all the bark off of it. But need at least 10, 12 inches.
Right.
brand new, he's a little bit longer than that.
you can do 2x4s or what?
I'm gonna cut it in the middle and then just put trim boards.
Trim boards? So this would be like batting strips or trim.
Batting, it's really not batting strips on this end, but it's like trimming around windows and trimming around doors and stuff.
Okay. Okay, so that 8-inch round log.
That's why I'm fixing to figure out how many board foot we got out there.
Do you think maybe it went down to maybe a 6-inch cant, square cant?
Yeah, try that out.
Okay.
A little over. I think it's 9 foot.
I thought they were 8'8" for some reason.
Six pieces. So that's just 9.7 board foot. Remember 9.7.
Okay.
Just, it's almost 10. Remember 10 board foot.
Okay. All right. Everybody remember 10 board foot.
So we got about 19 board foot out of one.
Oh, I was wondering what that was.
That's my log calculator.
A log calculator.
Yeah, you can reset it. You just put your length of your log, the width of your log, the thickness, that's in quarters, and how many pieces. You can even put a price in here. You know, whatever you want to charge per board foot, and it calculates it all up and gives you a total board foot.
Cool. All right. So how many board foot did we?
19 board foot.
19 board foot.
That's not a lot.
No, but if they had to go buy trim around the windows and doors, that's, I mean,
You figure.
I know right now that would be at least a trim around 2 doors or 4 windows.
That was $23 in wood, $1.25 a board foot.
Yeah, $1.25 a board foot.
So that's $23.75. We would have made on that, and it only took about
10 minutes.
No, it took longer than that. Probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes by the time you get it all down. But I mean, it still pays to cut it, but it's the littler ones, but it's just not. You don't get as much out of it.
Right. Well, the larger ones you can get trim, you can get, 2x4s, you can get whatever, basically whatever you need. So. Now I noticed you stacked another one over here on this one stack. This is your stack for your sawmill cut-offs? Okay.
Well, that's where I can put for the lat siding, live edge lat siding.
Okay. And with our nice pretty weather, this will still dry out fairly quick.
Yeah, pretty quick.
I mean, it don't take long for it to dry out and get lighter every time it dries out. And now the bottom ones, what are they?
That's just a 2x6.
2x6.
I'm saving them for my outdoor kitchen down there
At the cabin.
at the cabin.
Cool.
For my floor joists. Well, these ain't 2x6, these are 2x2s.
2x2s.
2x3s.
Well, for what we're building, it would work good.
Yep.
Cool. Alrighty. So you're just going to be doing just some cutting this morning?
Huh?
You're just going to be cutting this morning?
Yeah. I'm going to try to finish up here so he can actually
Come up the first of the week?
come up and get it.
Okay.
Yeah, I still got some more trim boards, more 2x4s, and then I need flooring boards.
Okay. And I know tomorrow we'll start back on the new project right down the road, restoration, the house restoration. And I know it sounds funny, we call it the White House restoration, But it's not as in Washington, D.C. White House. It's in Sharps Chapel, the White House restoration. But we'll be starting on it.
Yeah, I don't think you'd find Joe Biden there.
No.
Wish we could.
No, I don't want him living that close. Well, I'm going to let him get back to work. And Randy, you got any final comments and suggestions?
Just like and subscribe.
Yes, like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. We're still trying to build our channel, but we also love to hear from you. Let us know how you're doing and what you're doing today on this beautiful day.
Yep.
I will let him get back to it. And I guess I'm going to have to go clean my kitchen. Well, everybody, remember, like, subscribe, and share. Get out, enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day that the good Lord's given us. Remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.